Hey guys, today we're going to be installing an angle kit on the S13. So I have extended, notched, and boxed low control arms, some modified knuckles, I got some offset tie rod spacers, and also have my curved tension rods. By the way, shout out to P2M, build quality is amazing. But I'll go more through that later. We have my homie CJ here today. I don't know. And he's gonna be helping me install this angle kit. Also, the owner of the house is here. This is Josh. He owns a black, what year is it? 04 GTO. Details on that in another video.
Do an update on mine when I get it running.
Also, CJ drives a black S14.
Buster Baywood.
His Instagram name is Buster Baywood. I'll put it in the description below. CJ's gonna one-jet swap his S14. Okay, so we're gonna get started on here. We're just gonna jack up the front and then get the wheels off, start taking everything apart. Hey, Delroy showed up. Look at it.
I got a Mr. Meeseeks hoodie.
Mr. Meeseeks. Alright guys, this is gonna be the stock steering angle that we've got right now before modification. This is the stock angle. So hopefully after all the modifications we will be pushing a lot more. Go the other way. Hell yeah. Alright, so as you can tell, I already have aftermarket tie rods. These are also P2M and they are really durable. They're a lot thicker than the stock S13 ones and last quite a while.
You're not dedicated, Dylan.
This is the knuckle we're going to put on this side. As you can tell, I cleaned it up a little bit. This is the lower control arm for this side. Extended, notched, also box on the bottom for strength. So now that we got everything off, I'm gonna start putting everything back on. This is taking forever because I was unprepared and didn't have all the tools that were required. 20 minutes away just to pick up these for the tension rod and for the tie rod rack spacers. Alright guys, so I ran into another problem. Unfortunately, I wasn't smart enough to buy a crescent wrench while I was out earlier. So I have to run to Walmart real quick and go get a crescent wrench. We should be there right now. Alright, and we're at Walmart. Let's see if we can find a decent crescent wrench. I think they're the same. I got the same width off of. Alright guys, so we can't really remember how big we need it, so we're getting these two and hoping and praying that it works. Alright, so we just got the tools we need and we'll be back at the house right now. Alright, so back here, I'm gonna test fit this, make sure that this fits on the tie rod, which it does. So now I'm gonna work on getting that tie rod off, and once I get the tie rod off, we'll start putting the spacer on. Tie rod out. There's usually this thing holding the tie rod, I guess, stationary so it doesn't turn off and fucking fall out on you. So with the offset rack spacers, we can't use this anyways, so I can go ahead and get rid of this. I got red Loctite. This is the offset rack spacer we're putting on. It goes on like this. Put this on and space it out. Also space it forward. So I'm gonna stop tonight so I can get some sleep and get up early tomorrow to finish this. It is 1:16 a.m. This has taken quite a while to do, a lot longer than I expected because I've ran into some issues along the way. But hey, we learn from our mistakes. Everything feels solid on the driver's side. Whenever I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna start on the passenger side. Probably not gonna film it, just so I could get done with it quicker. And then once I get done putting everything on, I'm gonna do a self-alignment myself, or try to at least, and see how that works. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so some goodies just arrived, and I think I'm gonna reveal it in the next video, and we'll probably put some more stuff on 240. Alright, so some quick details on my setup. I'm running 2 inches extended. They're also notched for the tie rod. I'm running phase 2 motor trend tie rods, inner and outer, phase 2 motor trend offset rack spacers, phase 2 motor trend tension rods that are also curved and have the offset spacers up there. This is a modded knuckle. Shout out to my homie Larry up in Ohio for selling this to me. These are the basic BC Racing coilovers, like the most basic set that you can get for a 240. These are 1.25" bolt-on spacers because the wheels are such a high offset. I got these wheels on a really good deal. That's pretty much it on the setup that I'm running right now. And we're about to see how much angle I can get out of it. This is how much angle I can get out of this kit. That's about stock. Let's keep going. Right there. I'll go the other way. Right there. The other side. That's center. Okay, so I got it all put on. I got the wheels on, and this has a lot of poke. It's still in the air right now. I'm about to drop it down and do a self-alignment, which I'm not going to film that part because it's going to take so long and I don't have that big of a memory card. But I will keep you updated on all the new things I do with the car. Shout out to CJ for helping me last night. He didn't have to out of his busy work schedule. I really appreciate it. And to all the other people that helped me by giving me rides to the store for emergency situations, as in not having the right tools or needing an extra bolt. Thank you for watching. Click the like button below if you liked it. If you didn't, I don't care what you do. Make sure you hit the subscribe button